What is going on, everybody? This is Nate and I am back with another video about some boots. This is now going to be my third pair of Thursday boots. This time around, I went for the Legend. The Legend boot is a Chelsea boot, and it's one of 3 styles of Chelsea boots that Thursday Boots offers. The other 2 styles of Chelsea boots that Thursday offers seemed a little more dressy than what I was looking for personally, so I decided to go with the Legend in this matte black option because it seemed a little bit more rugged. The other thing is they are the only Chelsea boots that are part of Thursday's Rugged and Resilient collection. And as I've bought more boots from Thursday, I've realized that all 3 pairs that I've got have been part of that Rugged and Resilient collection, so that's obviously the style that keeps speaking to me. As with most of the other boots that come from Thursday, they do have the Goodyear welt construction. They feature a durable Storm King lug outsole, and the inside is fully lined with glove leather. I like the Chelsea boot because it is more of a slip-on, a bit easier. And similar to the other Thursday boots, similar to the Captains that I have, they do have a cork bed midsole that forms to your feet over time and over wear, and it does also feature a steel shank. The boots are priced at $199, and as I've said in previous videos with Thursday boots, I do find that they are the best bang for the buck. We're heading into fall where I live, so can't wait to wear these in, wear these out, dress them up, dress them down. To me, they're one of the better looking boots. I've always wanted a pair of Chelsea boots, but never found a pair that I really liked, but kind of a suede leather upper really spoke to me, and I like the way that it looks, so can't wait to wear them out. Thanks for checking it out, and be sure to head over to ThursdayBoots.com.